Hey there YouTube, KSCuber here. So quick little introduction to this video. First of all, this is a raw, uncut video, not going to be a lot of editing in here. We'll try to do 2 camera angles, but basically what I'm going to do today is a Rubik's Cube mile. If you haven't heard this before, this is basically a spin-off of the beer mile. Basically, you drink a beer, run a quarter mile, drink a beer, run a quarter mile, and so on until you have 4 beers and 4 laps. Obviously, I'm underage, not going to be doing the beer mile anytime soon. So instead, I'm going to try the Rubik's Cube mile, which there haven't been a lot of attempts, but I think the fastest right now is 5 minutes 23 or something insane like that. I actually think that I can get it down to around 7 minutes if I really practice. I used to be more of a serious runner, and I really haven't run a lot lately, but I'm trying to get back into shape. So this is my first on-camera attempt. I tried one the other day. I got like a 750 something. So today, my goal, get around that, and just get on video for the first time. Hopefully I can improve after that and get a better one on camera. But that's the introduction. On to the run. Okay, so switch to the other camera here. I actually just did a quick warm up here, about 3 laps. And actually we're sharing the track today with some other people there at the track. So I'm gonna have to go 4th lane or whatever. Not a big deal. Like I said, today is just like a baseline warm up type thing. Let's quickly set my stuff on the picnic table and let's get ready to do it. Heading to the right. GoPro head, man. It's a new style.
Okay, like I said, I'm completely beat. I went out a little bit too fast. Last couple were pretty hard. Anyway, 4 Rubik's Cube solved. Mile done, a quarter mile, 7 minutes, 27.56 seconds. Out of shape, it's a pretty solid baseline. To get in shape, hopefully get down to 7 minutes, and even after seeing that, maybe 6:30. Oh, that's it. Can't keep her out. Goodbye.